Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. YouTube released an update that they are making some changes on how ads are played on our videos. You should be interested in this topic even if you are not yet monetized or if you are not running a monetized channel, because at some point this will also determine how much you can earn from ad revenue on your channel. Now, for you to place ads on your videos, that video should be like up to 8 minutes or more before you can place ads. And for more ads to play on your videos, that will increase the RPM of your channel and also increase your ad revenue. So now YouTube is introducing another system that's, according to them, that they want to enhance viewers' experience, in the sense that they don't want us to be playing at interruptive points of videos. Like, for example, when someone is on a conversation, they don't want that interruptive break. At least the person needs to complete their sentence or their speech before ads can set in. And they discover that this kind of interruptive ads do reduce the view duration or retention of videos on YouTube. So they are trying now to stop those interruptive ads to play on YouTube videos. So how will this affect you? Now, like, I know many of us, we do place ads manually on our videos. Some of those ads that we place on our videos, we just do it, we just decide to place it anywhere we want. And some of us, like from what the report that YouTube showed, it showed that some people even put ads every 1 minute of their videos. So, but what YouTube is trying to say here, or this new system they're introducing, what it means is that those manual ads that we placed on our videos, those one at interruptive parts, we stop playing at some point. Only the one that is placed on natural breakpoints. So I'm going to explain what this natural breakpoints means later, and also tell you how you can achieve that. So now, I would suggest, at least for most of us, like those of us that placed ads just randomly, I would suggest that you turn this automatic ads slot option on. So what this automatic option means, that when you turn on this automatic option, YouTube will now go back to your old videos, the videos on your channel, and start inserting ads automatically on natural breakpoints. So you can also review some of those videos. Maybe when you check some and you discover that there's maybe YouTube didn't place ad slots where in a natural breakpoint, you can also manually do it. So what this automatic option means is that the one that YouTube will place on your videos will play in line with the one that you have already placed manually that are at natural breakpoints. But those ones at interruptive points will eventually not play. So now, if you choose the manual option, that the second option, that means that you don't want YouTube to manage your ad placement at all. And what this means, like, for example, let me show you, like this video on my channel. You can see that this video has been, I think I uploaded it like many months ago, and I manually inserted ads in this video. And as you can see, the 5 ads that I placed on this video, they are all being inserted as interruptive points. When YouTube starts implementing their new ad policy, definitely none of these ads will play, and that means I will lose a lot of money by no mid-roll ads being played on this video. So what YouTube will do for you when you choose that automatic option, what YouTube will do is, like, for example, let me take this automatic ad slot. You see that it has now inserted 2 additional ad slots where it discovered natural breakpoints. So when you turn on the automatic option, YouTube will go to your old videos and start inserting ad slots in where it can find, or where it finds natural breakpoints. So what it means is that as this video is, both the natural one and the interactive one will be there, but the only difference much later is that those interruptive ones will not be playing again. So what this means is that instead of me losing like a reasonable sum from this video, at least 2 ads are there to be played. So that is a reason why you should choose the automatic option. That is, if you are not intentional about placing ads right from the beginning or for a long time on your channel. So now there are some set of people that can still choose the manual option. That is, some channels that are being intentional about placing ads on their videos. For example, some channels, they were like, okay, let me say like for religious content, it will be unfair for us to just pitch in at the middle of a very important discussion or conversation. You get the point? So like this kind of content or this kind of channels, they normally intentionally create breakpoints. So now what is breakpoint? Breakpoint is like a transition of conversation, like audio or visuals. For example, if I want to make an example, if I want to make a breakpoint on this video, I can just see what I did now is like a natural breakpoint. So when YouTube will start updating the automatic ad slot on this video, that's point where I keep mute for about a second will be seen as a natural breakpoint, and definitely to be suitable for us to be automatically placed there. So even if YouTube miss that particular spot where I kept mute, then I can also manually insert ad there, because when I insert ad there, it will see it as suitable because it is not interrupting a sentence or a conversation or an action that is in motion. You get the point? So from now, moving forward, if you are making videos on your channel, be intentional about creating natural breakpoints. So if you are making vlog, at some point you can just pause for a second, or when you are transitioning from one scene to another scene, you can just delay just a second, and then move to the next scene. So that is a way of creating natural breakpoints. So even if YouTube do not place ad automatically on those natural breakpoints that you intentionally created, you can do it manually by yourself, and YouTube will still accept it as as a suitable ad slot for that video. Let me just show you some other videos that I have on this channel. Like here, I have this video that I already, this video I inserted the ad slot manually. You can see all of them were inserted manually. But as you can see, out of the 5 slots that I inserted, about two were at the right spot. So what this means is that the red ones won't play, but the ones on ash color will definitely play. And mind you, this video has not been set to automatic. The ad slot has not been set to automatic. So if I click on automatic, and you can see here, it says we couldn't find natural breakpoint in this video. You can see we couldn't find a natural breakpoint in this video, but already I manually placed ads, and you can see that out of the 5 ads, 2 were suitable, meaning that those 2 ads that are suitable were at the breakpoint. So moving forward, if you want to place more ads on your videos, moving forward, make sure you intentionally create natural breakpoints, which means you can just delay transitioning of one scene to another scene with a space of like 1 second, a second, or just a millisecond. YouTube will recognize that as a breakpoint, and you can insert it. So even if YouTube do not insert a slot automatically at your own natural breakpoint, you yourself can do it. So you can see that it makes things easy and it increases revenue for your channel. So guys, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question you want to ask, please drop it in the comment section. And if you still have if you have some other things you would like us to learn as a community, also share with us in the comment section. And before I go, I would like to let you know that I have the AdSense support program where you can subscribe. Like if you are expecting a good sum of money from your channel and you are about to monetize and you don't want to make mistake with your AdSense account setup, and you want me to set up your AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel, and from there make your first earning on YouTube without missing a dime or making any mistake. So you can subscribe to my AdSense support by scanning the QR code and going to the platform to subscribe. So I will help you do all the heavy lifting while you watch and you see your earnings landing on your bank account. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.